The dispatch kiosk is a touchscreen kiosk to facilitate the dispatch of goods on a factory floor or in a warehouse environment in real time. It has full traceability functionality along with customisable quality control features. You can complete a sales order with an assigned dispatch date. When logging onto the kiosk, you can choose from a sales order number, current dispatch schedule, or from the customer. You can process the order by scanning the item, recording quantities. You can also check if the item requires batch management or traceability. You can choose from a list of available batch numbers or auto-assign on a first in, first out basis. When finalising the dispatch, you can complete the quality checks and record a signature. All of this means that the order has been dispatched, the batch information has been recorded, and the goods have been removed from stock in real time, drastically reducing paperwork, duplication and administration.